Energetic! And we are the investigators!
Good day, besties. Welcome to the Investigator Show. It is me again, Sophia. Today, we're going to be interviewing someone who is very sensational these days because of her new movie. Let us please welcome Miss Kathleen Bernardo. Good afternoon, Kath. Thank you for joining us today.
Good afternoon to you too. It's such a pleasure that you invited me to your show, Sophia.
First of all, I would like to congratulate you on your new movie. It has been such a talk these days.
Thank you. I hope the netizens will like it once it comes out.
We sure did. So, what made you accept the role?
For me, I think it is very important to consider the people you are working with before accepting a project. And the people I have worked with for She's Dating the Gangster have been nothing but great. The fact that this movie is also different from the other movies that I have played a huge factor.
May I ask, what made it different from all the other movies?
It's sort of an old school type of movie since it was set in the 1990s. When I heard that was the case, I really got excited.
Alright, it is such a bummer that DJ could not come with us today. But before we end the interview, would you like to say anything to your fans?
Yes, I would like to say something. Hello, Katniels. Thank you for the love and support that you have given to DJ and I throughout these years. We wouldn't be here without you guys. We also hope that you enjoyed the movie once it comes out. We love you all.
And that will be all for today. It is once again the Investigator Show. See you tomorrow, besties. Bye!
Good day, class. I am your new student teacher for today. But before we start, does anybody know what does ATP stands for or what does it mean? You, at the back, stand up. Why are you using your cell phone during my class? Do you know what does ATP stands for? Anyways, ATP stands for adenosine triphosphate. It is the primary energy source for use in storage at the cellular level. ATP has three structures. That is the adenine, which is the base, the sugar, the ribose, and the three phosphate groups, which is the alpha, beta, and gamma. Now, what does the ATP structure looks like? It looks like this. This part is the adenine base, which is the adenine molecule, which serves as the base of the ATP. And then beside that is the ribose molecule, which is the sugar. And then the last one is the phosphate groups, which is the alpha, beta, and gamma. Now, the alpha, beta, and gamma are the phosphate that is what do you call that? Responsible for the energy that the ATP needs. The ATP has two couple reactions, which is the hydrolysis and the phosphorylation. Hydrolysis is the exergonic reaction, while the phosphorylation is the endergonic reaction. So hydrolysis, what is hydrolysis? Once yung hydrolysis is natamaan itong part na to, by the way class, this part, yung nagko-connect dun sa alpha, beta, and gamma, yung tawag doon is phosphone hydride bonds. Ayun yung nagko-connect sa kanila. So once the hydrolysis is natamaan yung phosphone hydride bonds na nagko-connect kay beta and kay gamma, magiging ADP siya. Kasi yun lang naman ang function ng sa ATP, sa first stage, sa ATP. Yung ATP, ko-convert nyo to ADP, which is magiging ATP lang din naman ulit. So let's proceed.
I drew the simplest illustration or diagram of the hydrolysis. So for example, this is the H2O or also known as the water. And once yung water na yan, natamaan niya si ATP, magre-reduce siya ng energy for the cellular work. Ngayon, once na nawala na siya ng energy, magiging ADP na siya. Which is, yan, ADP na siya. Pero, once na tamaan naman siya ng isa pang phosphate, which is ang phosphate is also known as the energy, magiging unstable ATP na siya. Ngayon, para maging fully ATP, kailangan niya ng isang mga energy from the catabolism. Ngayon, the unstable energy, once na nakaluan siya ng energy from the catabolism, magiging fully ATP na siya. So, pwede na siya magbigay ng energy sa ibang process, sa ibang molecules, sa iba. And then the other, yung isa pang coupled reaction is the phosphorylation. Ngayon, ang phosphorylation ay may dalawa siyang part, the oxidative and the substrate. So, ang substrate phosphorylation is, ayun yung process na kung saan, once na nag-consume ka ng food or energy, is diretso siyang magiging ADP into ATP. Gets niyo ba? Gets niyo? Okay. Ngayon, the oxidative naman is, it's much more complex than the substrate because oxidative needs ETC, which is the electron transport chain, and also the chemiosmosis, which is the process of hydrogen ions, which is the process of moving of hydrogen ions. Okay. For example, itong malaking box na yan, ayun yung ETC, which is the electron transport chain. Ngayon, itong dot dots na yan, ayan yung nagsisabing hydrogen ions. Gumagalaw yan, naggagala-gala sila, ganyan, which is yung tinatawag na chemiosmosis, which is the process of moving of hydrogen ions. Ngayon, si ATP, mag-undergo siya dito. Kasi sa loob ng ETC, may ATP synthase dyan. Ngayon, si ATP, pupunta siya dito, dadaan siya kay ATP synthase, which is sa loob ng ATP synthase, naghihintay sa kanya ang phosphate. Ngayon, si ATP, tsaka ito, once na nag-combine sila, paglabas niya, magiging ATP na siya. Kasi nga, ang ATP is kailangan niya ng 3 phosphate groups.
So class, kaya pa? Carry pa? Carry pa?
Hindi na.
Okay, so that's the end of our lesson for today about ATP. I hope you learned something, and we will continue this lesson by next week. Goodbye.
Isang importanteng bagay na ipagbibigay alam ng investigators ay makikita ang mga espesyal na bagay na matutuklasan natin
Sa bawat parte ng ating buhay at daloy ng panahon.
At ito ay tungkol sa mga labing bakas o fossil sa Ingles.
ating alamin ngayon kung paano nakatutulong ang mga labing bakas sa pagtukoy
Kung paano nangyari ang mga ebolusyon ng mga hayop noong unang panahon.
Labing bakas ay ang mga labi ng mga namuhay na nilalang noon.
Ito ay mga nag-iwan ng bakas at nananatiling buhay at nakatatak sa atin.
Mayroon tayong iba't ibang klase ng mga labing bakas. Tatalakayin natin ang mga halimbawa nito. Una, ang mga labi ng mga hayop na napreserba.
Ito ay ang pinakabihirang uri ng labing bakas. Ang kanilang mga buto at laman ay napapanatiling nasa lugar sa pamamagitan ng pagturok sa kanila ng gamot na tinatawag nating formalin.
Sumunod ay ang mineral na natutunaw at napapalitan ng iba't ibang klase ng mga mineral.
Anong mineral? Mineral na tubig?
Hindi! Mineral na matatagpuan sa mga bato, tulad ng ginto, tilak at marmol. Alam niyo ba kung saan ito matatagpuan?
Sitaw!
Ang mga ito ay matatagpuan sa kagubatan at sa kalalim-laliman ng karagatan.
Sunod ay mga labing bakas na nagmumula sa mga maliliit na organismo. Sa sobrang liit nila ay hindi mo sila makikita gamit lamang ang iyong mga mata. Upang sila ay makita, kinakailangan mong gumamit ng mga mikroskopyo.
Wait! Paano natin sila makikita kung hindi natin gagamitan ng mikroskopyo?
Sa pamamagitan ng pananaliksik, pwede mo sila makita kung ikaw ay maghahanap ng kanilang mga imahe.
Based on the given statement that all the slices of pizza are cut equally into 8, and all the radius are 5 inches, the angle covered by 2 slices are 90 degrees, which is this one. So, all the slices of pizza are the underlined ones, which indicates for the red color as based on the presentation, it is the subject. And without the underline or the blue one are the predicate. So the quantity is universal and the quality is affirmative. And based on this proposition, that all subject are predicate. Predicate is not described as subject. And that's all.
Okay, so moving on to Recall, our first problem says, referring to the situation in GenMath, find the area covered by 2 slices in the pizza. And the situation given in GenMath is, all the slices of pizza are cut equally into 8 slices, and all the radius are 5 inches. The angle covered by 2 slices are 90 degrees. This is the 90 degrees, 2 slices. Now, the formula of the area is 1/2 theta r squared. Our given angle is 90 degrees and our given radius is 5 inches. Now, we cannot use this, so we have to convert it into radian form. 90 degrees in radian form is pi over 2. We're going to multiply that by 1/2 from the formula times radius squared, that is 5 inches squared, equals area. Pi times 1 is pi, and 2 times 2 is 4. Multiplied by 5 squared is 25 inches squared. 25 times pi is 25 pi over 4 inches squared. That would be the area of the given problem. Moving on to the second problem. If a pizza is a unit circle, find the sin pi over 4 minus sin 7 pi over 6. So in order to get that, we're going to have to look for the pi over 4 in our unit circle. That would be, the coordinates are square root of 2 over 2 and square root of 2 over 2. For the second one, we have 7 pi over 6. That is negative square root of 3 over 2 and negative 1/2. Now, the sin theta is opposite over hypotenuse, which is equals to y. Now, our y coordinates are these. The square root of 2 over 2 and the negative 1/2. Now, we're going to subtract that.
since we have two negative signs, it's going to be addition na. Plus 1/2. Now, they have the same denominator, so we can add right away. That will be square root of 2 plus 1 is square root of 2, and we just have to copy the denominator. This will be the answer for this.
Failure doesn't mean that the game is over. It just simply means that you need to try again with experience. Once again, we are the investigators standing here in front of you to let you know that you should not give up when you're about to lose hope. Imagine that there are people out there who have faith in your abilities.
We don't have to win to become famous. All we need to do is to be a good friend to those who are close to us.
Give up everyone advice and courage and believe in it to succeed in this life.
Without you, I would have given up because I didn't say I could win. Instead, I kept trying because I knew there were others who trusted and believed in me. Accomplish our target. We work hard and we put a lot of effort, just so we wouldn't disappoint those who support us. We didn't stop until victory touched our feet.
Giving up in the middle is simple, but overcoming the obstacles to get going is challenging. Only winners are the one remembered for a long time.
We learn from moments that perseverance pays off. Only victors receive the knocks on their doors from success because we are determined in life. Keep trying because tomorrow will be the day that all of your dreams come true. Once again, thank you to you all.